and flying high over pirate waters. Shiver me timbers, what has me here? Annual meeting of the Brethren Court? Or does I need to call the zoo and inform them that all the party animals have escaped? Whatever be the case, if adventure ye be wanting, then I say drop anchor, mateys, cause you've charted a course to the right place. But where be my manners? Guess I left them in me skin. Anywho, allow me to introduce myself. The name be Jolly Roger, but I insist you call me J.R. Question for ye all. If you be ready for pirate fun and adventure, let me hear you shout, aye aye! Aye aye!
Well, welcome back to Old Funny Bones.
Oh, you put this sweet funny face in that charming toothy
Oh,
grass.
not be too kind. Why, if I had any skin at all, I'd be obliged.
So tell me, are ye and the rest of Minnie and Mickey's pirate crew ready to start the festivities?
And what say all you scallywags? Who'll hear me ready to party like a pirate? Then what you be waiting for? Stop your lollygagging and commence with the merrymaking. Time to band together and welcome the most adventurous swashbucklers ever to sail the seven seas!
Landlubbers, buccaneers, and pirates of all ages, it's time to welcome the most fun bunch of pirates I know. Please welcome Minnie and Mickey's Pirate Crew!
It's time to welcome the most fun pirate crew, Pirate Donald
then with your permission, let Minnie and Nikki's Pirate Academy begin!
Pirates young and old, for our captains to officially accept you into their crew, you must first master the code of the Pirate Academy.
Gorge, what does that mean?
It means they need to do exactly as we do.
Oh, that's easy.
If you're ready for lesson 1, shout I. Well done. Here be lesson number 1.
Lesson number 1.
If ever a captain gives you an order,
Or ask you a question.
loud and proud, say I, Captain. Try it out.
All together, once again, if ever a captain gives you an order or asks you a question, loud and proud say, aye, Captain. Well done, Victory. On to lesson number 2. Lesson number 2.
We pirates we know now that adventure is lost.
That be true.
But we're also known for our celebrating. So, all true pirates need to know how to dance a pirate jig.
Do exactly as we do. Here we go.
Just like true pirates.
So, with that, can you dance a pirate jig? Commence to dancing and make it
The pilot town is there to sing. Onward now to lesson number 3.
Lesson number 3.
Lesson number 3.
Though we pirates do enjoy a good celebration, we also need to appear fierce. Lesson 3, making a fierce fire pose.
Do it with us. Reach down and grab your imaginary pirate sword and draw it up to the sky.
Now swing it to the left, then right, then loudly yell R.
Wow, that is fierce.
So with that, can you all be pirate clear? So crew you know what to do.
Since it sounds like you want more, on to lesson number 4.
Lesson number 4.
Lesson number 4.
What does a pirate love more than anything?
The sea.
With the wind in their sails.
Adventure.
Talking to a parrot.
Hi. Those are all well and good, but the answer is treasure. We love the way it looks, we love the way it feels, and we love to shake our booty. So we asked, what's the pirate love the most? All yell treasure. Now shake your booty from coast to coast. Great job!
Now the final review.
Master this, and you'll be part of our pirate crew.
If ever a captain gives you an order or asks you a question, loud and proud say, aye, Captain. Aye, Captain.
Can you dance a pirate jig? Do it now and make it big.
Can you be pirate there? Show them crew you know what to do.
Now what does a pirate love the most?
Now see your booty from coast to coast.
Again.
real festivities, but you'll be needing to make way immediately, or sooner. So you don't get hit by that cannonball.
The new caretaker and overseer of this fine vessel. Simply put, this ship is mine! Mr. Smee, status report.
Aye, Captain. The ship is now yours to do with as you please. Enjoy.
Oh, I shall.
But this is our ship.
How about we win it back with a captain's challenge?
Trust that pirate code. No, very well. The terms. If I win, you walk the plank.
Agreed.
And in the unlikely event that your crew succeeds,
We get the ship back. Do we have an agreement?
agreed.
In that case, let the captain's challenge officially begin!
Remember, you are now part of Captain Mickey and Minnie's pirate crew. Whatever the test, respond loud and proud. You can do it, crew. I know you can.
Do exactly as we do.
It's the speed test, this so-called pirate crew.
Aye, Captain Hook. Look lively, swans. Now, the first thing any real pirate knows is that when a captain gives you an order or asks you a question, what do you say?
What? Impossible! Lucky guess. Sweet, give them the next one. And make this one especially rough.
Aye, Captain. Oh, I just need the answer to the last question.
Sweet!
Yes, sir, Captain, sir. Here's the next test. Oh, and it's a good one. All true pirates enjoy a good celebration. If you are real pirates, let the captain see a true pirate chick. Show 'em, crew, and make it back. That's the way. You're going great.
No! It can't be! Speed! Tell me I'm seeing things!
If you saw some very impressive footwork, Captain, then we won't see things.
Time to end this! A real pirate must be fierce!
You heard him. He wants to know, can you be pirate fierce?
Come on, crew, you know what to do.
They scared the wits out of me.
No!
Yes, yes, yes. That was the right answer, Captain.
So help me, Smee! I've got it! Prepare for your date with the plank! Tell me, what do true pirates love the most?
The signal will come out!
Oh, no. This can't be happening.
Oh, yes, it can.
And it just did!
Get me out of here!
Come on, Captain. Back to Neverland. Now, which direction is it from here?
With the codfish out of the way and this here ship back in your control, I'd say it's time to continue celebrating your brilliant new crew!
I'm ready. Great cheers for our new crew. You guys
me to say so. Away, away, away I go.
On becoming a part of Minnie and Mickey's pirate crew!
See you pirates later. Have fun, me hearties.
Welcome to the crew, everyone. Come on, Donald. Donald, welcome to the crew. Hi, everybody.
Well, crew, that was a great first adventure. I can't wait for our next one.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you on our next adventure.
Well done, everyone! And congratulations on becoming a part of the crew! But now, we're on.
If you enjoyed this video, please consider supporting the channel by hitting the like button as well as subscribing and ringing the bell for notifications on future videos.